When you place an order on our website, our team starts gathering your items right away. Every product is carefully packaged and sealed to ensure its safe delivery to your door. But our dedication to your home pest control doesn't stop at the delivery truck. With each order, we provide easy-to-use monitor traps at no cost to you. Monitor traps ensure your treatment is working and help you identify any future pests that may enter your home, so you can effectively and confidently do it yourself. Just tear at the perforated edge, peel off the plastic covering, fold, and place. Keep an eye on them and replace as needed, so you can keep your home safe from unwanted pests. Just give us a call and we'll help figure out what's bugging you.